but she's squealing. Hey Dia. Okay, come and take you away from the sunshine a little bit. Hey Dia. Dia. Hey Dia, hi. Hey Dia baby. Hey my sweetie pie. Hey my sweetie. Hi. Hi. Can you say hi? Can you say hi? Ah, there's a smile coming. Is there a smile coming? Dia. Hi. Who thinks she's Chinese? Your Maushi thinks you're Chinese. Let's look at you, Dia, again. Are you Chinese looking? Not at all. Yeah. You're very much Indian. Very much Indian. See, she agrees. What are you trying to tell me? See this hair, nice and long. She can actually tie a ponytail behind also now. Right, Dia?